Hey guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today we have a very special review. I know this has been out for a little while now, and there's been a lot of reviews out on this. However, I just got mine today directly from China. That might be a clue as to what we're reviewing, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so it finally came in directly from China. My Mavic Mini. So I'm going to be utilizing this a lot when I go out to the flying field to get you guys some great HD video. I already had a Spark, but it is starting to show its age. And since this came out, I figured, hey, why not? We'll go ahead and get this. So this here is the Fly More kit. It comes with the controller, the drone, a carrying case, extra props, guards for the props, whole bunch of really nice stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. So I went ahead, go ahead and grab my trusty knife here, and we're going to cut it right along the top here, make it nice and neat. There we go. Ooh boy. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside this beautiful white box of goodness. All right, so everything is very nicely packed. We have a box here on the top here. We'll set off to the side. We have another box. This is the carrying case. Very nice. And there's a couple more items down here in the bottom. I'll go ahead and pull these out. Set that off to the side. We'll set all this stuff out here. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, we got the case right over here. We have a box here. We're going to go ahead and open this up first, see what's in this one. Alright, so these look like the prop guards for when you want to fly indoors. Let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like. So they call these the 360 prop guards because it covers the top, the bottom, and around the edges where the props are. So pretty cool. Looks like they just snap in place here on the arms. Very nice. And there's two sets, one for each side. So we'll set those off to the side there. Let's see what's in this box here, guys. Alright, this looks like it's the batteries. So the Fly More kit comes with 3 batteries. They are lithium ion. And what it looks like is they are 18650s, and this is just a guess. I don't know. I'm not going to open one of these up to find out. But they look to me like they're 18650 cells. So if you look here, the 18650s look like they would fit just right inside there and still have a little bit of room for a little bit of circuitry in there. So it looks to me like this plastic case is housing 2 18650s, which is kind of neat. So there you go. That's probably what's in these. And of course the Fly More kit comes with 3 of these. Go ahead and pull these out and lay these out. There we go. So we got the 3 batteries. Put that off to the side. Now let's see what this looks like. It's just some information packet. Yep. So all the instructions, quick about the Fly More kit, it's quick start guide, full manual, and so on. Okay, so that's great. They include some documentation in there. Set that off to the side as well. This last one looks like it's a power adapter for the charging system. We'll pop this open and we'll take a quick look here. Yep, sure enough, just a USB power adapter for the US. It's 5 volt, 3 amp. We'll set that there. Now we'll get to the nice hard shell case that they gave you. It's fabric covered. It's pretty nice. Oh, and there she is. Look how tiny that is. My Lord. And it weighs nothing. It absolutely weighs nothing. If you want to fly it recreationally, you do not need to register it as long as you don't add the sticker. You don't add anything additional to it. If you want to put an ND filter or something like that on here, that's going to add to the weight. You're over 250. Done. Okay? It would need to be registered at that point. If you fly it stock with just the battery in it, they say 250. Other people have weighed it. I'm not going to. Then yes, you're good to go. Don't need to register. However, you do need to follow all the rules and regulations in regards to where you can fly. Okay? And I'll put the link in the description of that information on where you can find that for the Know Before You Fly from the FAA, AMA, all of them. They have that information out there for you. So we're not going to go into depth on what's right, what's wrong. I'm going to leave that up to you guys and what country you're in and so on. So for me, I'm going to be using this for my YouTube channel, which means the flight operations that I'm going to be doing with this are going to be commercial. Now, I don't always have to fly this as a commercial aircraft. So let's say I want to take this out and just fly it for fun, get some imagery just for myself. I'm legal under the AMA. However, the aircraft will be registered as a commercial aircraft. However, I don't always have to fly it commercially. So there you go. Those are the rules. Check them out on Know Before You Fly if you're within the United States. If you're not in the United States, go ahead and check whatever regulations you have for your country and go from there. So now let's just finish looking at the aircraft because this is really nice. So I skipped out on the Mavic, original Mavics and so on. I stuck with my Spark, did everything I need. I do 1080. I'll probably do most of this in 1080 as well instead of the 2K because I just don't see a need to go up to 2K since most of my videos are posting out in 1080 anyway. So with that, let's go ahead and unfold this because, I mean, this is really impressive little aircraft. So first things first, you unfold these arms and then you unfold these. And there you go. And yes, I still have the gimbal guard in there. I want to protect that gimbal in the meantime. But that's pretty much it, man. And it don't weigh anything. That is nuts. So we'll set this aside. Right over here. We'll go ahead and pull out. So this is the battery charger, which is kind of cool. You can use it as a power bank. Just put all 3 of these batteries in there. Just like so. And there you go. Now you have a power bank. I guess the batteries are all dead. So we'll get that charged up. We have the controller here. Pretty much just like what I had on the Spark. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. One thing I do like is they do have the little gimbals that hide back here. Just like so. Pretty nice. I'm a thumb flyers or a finger and thumb flyer, so that feels pretty good. They don't click in. You have the home button, you have the power button, take a picture, video, and your gimbal. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, straightforward. And we'll lay this down right next to it as well. Let's see what else we have in here. Some spare props. Pretty nice. And it's pretty nice that they actually will fit right up underneath in there, and you'll always have them with you. To be honest, I'm still on my first set of props on my Spark. I have yet to have had an incident with that yet. So no parts gotten broken or anything. Let's see what's in this last box here. It's spare thumb screw or sticks. Got 2 USB cables, it looks like. And the cables to connect your phone. And the screwdriver to replace your propellers. There you go. That's all there is to it, guys. Isn't that slick? That is a nice little aircraft there. Very nice. Very clean. Folds up nice and tight. Props fold back. There you go. Crazy, isn't it? That something that small can do video as well as the Spark. I mean, here's my iPhone 7. It's bigger when it's all folded up. Isn't that nuts? That is amazing. Amazing. Absolutely. So, hopefully this thing, we'll go ahead and do some flight videos with it tomorrow. Should be on this video here. And we'll see how she looks. See what the quality looks like. From what I've seen online, it looks really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. And we'll see how it all goes. And that's all I got for you guys today. Is just this unboxing. That's all I wanted to show you. And then at the end of the video, I will go ahead and put some video coming from this on the channel. Take a look at it. Like I said, I'm not doing a full review of the aircraft. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it. Let you guys, if any of you might be interested in it. I got the Fly More kit. Just came in from directly from DJI today. And actually I had to go pick it up at the FedEx office. So again, guys, thanks for watching and enjoy the video.